former England footballer Tony Adams took to the dance floor with partner Katya Jones for movie week and performed an incredible Samba to You Sexy Thing from the Full Monty. Closing the sassy routine, Tony stood front and center as he stripped down to nothing but a pair of red glittery boxers. The surprise addition to the performance left not only the judges amazed but also the viewers of the show. As Tony and Katya came forward to receive the comments from the judges, Motsi Mabuse was on her feet applauding. The whole audience and their fellow co-stars began to chant his name in support of the incredible performance he pulled off. Getting their comments, Motsi began, "Can we watch it again, please? Listen, Samba is maybe something else. But, entertainment value, that has to be a 10. Struggling to get her words out, Shirley Ballas added, "I don't quite know where to start actually. You do have a good pelvic roll. I saw that. You do a decent zigzag, so I will give you that. The rest, I loved the glitter ball underwear. And that is about all I can say about that. You entertained, but it wasn't exactly a samba from me." Craig Revel Horwood had just 3 letters to describe Tony's performance: OMG, whilst Anton Dubaka branded Tony a genius. Viewers could not believe their eyes when they saw Tony strip down to his boxers in the saucy number. As he removed his hat, shirt and trousers, he revealed some red sparkly shorts, leaving the judging panel open-mouthed. Judge Motsi Mabuse could not stop laughing, and it had clearly made her night. Viewers agreed that in terms of entertainment value, he had earned top marks. Sadly, he only finished with a score of 18, but the judges were very impressed with his enthusiasm. Emmerdale exit confirmed as boss teases death in horrific storm. Watch inside Emmerdale's Will Taylor star Dean Andrews' off-screen romance. Fans flocked to Twitter to share their thoughts on the hilarious moment. Natalie Cherry said, "Tony's dance is easily the dance of the night. #Strictly Come Dancing #SCD 2022 #Strictly." At Jane68274059 added, "Tony Adams' dance just now has brought me so much joy tonight. What a legend, that deserved 10s for sheer entertainment." #Strictly Come Dancing. Andrew Mosley added, "Tony Adams, Full Monty, Strictly, that is why we need the BBC." #Strictly Come Dancing. #Strictly at Hayapit Scav shared, "I'm watching Strictly Come Dancing exclusively for Tony Adams. That dance should go straight into a museum. A national treasure." #Strictly Come Dancing. #SCD 2022 Tired_Monkey said, "I'm sorry, but me and the missus really enjoyed Tony Adams' dance, made us laugh but also thought there was content, but what do we know." Craig's 2 score took the biscuit at Strictly. #Strictly Come Dancing. Strictly Come Dancing airs Saturday from 6:30 p.m. on BBC One, followed by The Results Show on Sunday.